Hello FLUTTERFLOW developers, hello friends, welcome to FLUTTERFLOW YouTube channel. My name is Andrei and today we will talk about how we can set custom background, color or image for PDF while generating PDF document in FLUTTERFLOW. So if you're looking for some sample of how you can make your PDF file more beautiful, or you need to place some branding, for example, or some color for background in PDF, this video is a right guide for you. So we will create a new project in FLUTTERFLOW to generate our PDF. So we will create a new PDF project. Let's call it PDF background demo. And we create this new project. We have here some sample and write directly to our goal. So what we need to do to set background for our page, we need to go to options, and as you can see here we have few different tabs to work with. We can change size and margins of our page, and we have two interesting tabs here: page color and background. So we can change color and we can change background. So for example, if you want to make our page red, like brown red or something like this, we can change color very easy here, and it will be generated with custom background color. If we want to change background image, we need to upload image here. For example, we will use some smaller image, and here we can select where we want to place that image. For example, we can place it to the left side, and we can change image size. By default, it will cover page, so it will try to stretch our image, or we can make some custom size, for example, like 200 and 200 pixels, and we save it. So as you can see, we have our image right here. It's centered to left side and vertical center to middle. If we want to change position, we can move it around how you prefer, like here, here, and etc. So we will have PDF file with that image inside, and it will be placed right into page center if you want to center it into page center. For our demo, we will actually build some nice holiday congratulations postcard. So I will use some fancy background, and I actually will use cover, and it will look like this. And also I want to change a little bit options of my page, so it will be landscape, and I will zoom out so I will be able to see it. As you can see, it's nice background. And what I want to do, I want to place our text somewhere here, for example, and center it. And then I want to change it, for example, happy holidays. And here we will place name. So let's make it bigger, maybe like this. And we will add parameter for our customer or friend name. So we'll call it name, it's string, and default I will use. So here we will put our cursor where we want to place name, and we'll click our name field, and now it will be like this. We also can change, for example, color of our text. Let's make it something nice like this. like this. Okay, great. We save it and we can preview it. As you can see, we have our postcard generated. And next, what we need to do, we need to publish our project, and we can continue with FlutterFlow setup. So next, what we will do, we will use API group, or you can use custom action. What you prefer to integrate? I will use API group. I will download open API definition, go to I will also copy authorization header from here. Here I will go to API call section, will click import open API definition, will select my definition file, and I will add this authorization header here. So we will have our security header set, and we will be able to call this API. So we have here single action generate PDF, and as you can see, it contains one parameter called name, and will return link to our PDF. Next, what we need to do, we need to create custom data type, so we will be able to work with our PDF file. So we will go to data types, we'll click create data type from JSON, I will call it PDF asset, and we'll paste sample PDF here, sample JSON. So we have this model for our PDF, and next we go to PDF background demo API group, create PDF action, and we want to parse response as PDF asset. If I will call this endpoint, save it, and then I will call it. As you can see, we received information about generated PDF. So we received link to our PDF, shareable temporary link. We have some generated custom name, and etc. and etc. So we can use this result to bind it to our page. We can use this action from our FlutterFlow application. So what I have here, I have a simple page, simple form where I enter a name of my friend or my customer, and it will generate this postcard. And then I have preview page where I will show our PDF preview. So next, what we will do, I actually will go and will create a new app state variable where which I will name PDF link. I will use it to save our generated PDF link to send it to preview page. So I have here this PDF link app state variable. If you're not familiar with app state variables, I recommend to check FlutterFlow documentation. I recommend to check my other videos. It's a very powerful way to manage data of your application, to exchange data between pages. So I recommend you to watch related videos. And what we will do here, we will create a logic, create action flow for our button generate PDF. So we click here and select on tap trigger, then we will create an action. It will be backend database, API call, group, and generate PDF action. Next, what we will do, we will select additional variable name, and here we will select widget state name. This is our text field, and we want to send value of the text field that we entered to APX Flow server and use it for our PDF generation. And here we will call it generated PDF. So we will have API output variable named generated PDF. And here in when everything is successful, we want to use state management and update app state, set our PDF link, set value to action output, generated PDF, as data type, data structure field. As you remember, we already set data type for API group action. So we have here our fields, and it's great because it's already structured, so we can use link, and we will set this link to our variable in app state. So let's confirm it. And after we generated it, we want to navigate to preview. So after we generated PDF, we will navigate to preview. I don't handle here some potential errors or exceptions and such, because our goal is just to understand how to work with background images and how to generate PDF from FLUTTERFLOW. So now I go to preview page, and here I want to bind my network path for PDF viewer. I have PDF viewer component here to app state PDF link. So now I will have this this viewer bound to my PDF link. And what I want to do here, I will create an action on tab to download file. Download file. And we will use it also from URL. We will use app state PDF link. And to set our file name, I will create another variable here in app state. I will call it PDF name, for example. I call it string, and I will set it by default like happy holidays PDF. Okay, great. I can set it or I can leave it as it is, just to use default value, and I will bind it to PDF name here in my file name option of download file action. So let's try how it works. So as you can see, my app loaded, and now I can provide name, for example, Santa, and generate PDF. It will call APX flow, and as you can see, we have PDF preview here, and we can see our link here, and we can download this PDF, and we will notice as Happy Holidays PDF. So this is very easy way to generate your PDF using some background image or some color. You can like fill it with required color. You can place a background covering full page, or you can specify position of background. As you remember, all this is done using very simple, very clear options here in page options in PDF module in APX Flow. I hope this will help you to build more robust, more beautiful applications with better features. Please check other videos about how to work with PDF module, about other modules we have. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.